Okay, number 183 in your classwork for quadratic equations gives you the following situation. So two cars leave a gas station at the same time. One travels north and one travels east. And 1 hour later, they are 80 miles apart. So this distance between them is 80 miles. And the angle here made between them, between the north and east direction, is 90 degrees. So we have a right triangle here. And we know that the one traveling east traveled 10 miles further than the one traveling north. So how far is it from the gas station? For the one traveling east. Okay, so this means that we have to solve for our x value here. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem. We can say that the two sides squared, so x squared plus this x plus 10 squared is equal to c squared, the hypotenuse squared, which is 80 squared. So I have x squared plus x squared plus 20x plus 100 is equal to 80 squared, which is 6,400. So I have 2x squared plus 20x minus 6,300 is equal to 0. I'll just move the 6,400 to the other side. And if we divide by 2, the problem doesn't become much easier. I think just the easiest way, instead of factoring here, would just be to use the quadratic formula. So if we use quadratic formula, then we have x is equal to negative b, which is 20, plus or minus square root of b squared and 20 squared, minus 4 times 2 times negative 6,300 over 2 times 2, which is negative 20 plus or minus 400 plus 50,400 over 4. Then if I take the square root of 50,400 plus 400, which is, that would give me negative 20 plus or minus 225.3, running to 100th would be 0.39. So all over 4. And notice if we're trying to find travel distance, right? Distance cannot be negative. So we can rule out this negative possibility and only look at the positive. So we would have 225.39 minus 20 divided by 4, which would give us a distance x, 51.35 miles is our unit. And if we want the distance that the one going east traveled, that would be x plus 10. So if we just add 10 miles to this, then our distance is equal to 61.35 miles.